What if the next major technology revolution is no longer sitting in your pocket, but right in front of your eyes every moment of the day? For years, the biggest names in tech have been locked in a relentless race to create the ultimate smartphone, packing devices with better cameras, faster chips, and increasingly powerful AI features. Before we dive deeper, let me know in the comments, would you actually wear AI-powered glasses every day, or do smartphones still make more sense to you? Because something fascinating is happening right now. The world's largest technology companies are beginning to shift their focus beyond smartphones, convinced that the next great battle for innovation won't take place in your hand at all. Instead, it may unfold directly through what you see. That's exactly why Xiaomi AI glasses have become such a hot topic. It's not simply because they're another smart gadget, and it's definitely not just because they include AI. These days, AI seems to be everywhere. What makes these glasses different is the vision they represent. A future where artificial intelligence is constantly available, always ready to assist, always within view, and accessible without reaching for a phone. It sounds exciting, but it also introduces questions that many people aren't entirely comfortable answering. And that's where this story becomes truly interesting. Xiaomi has officially entered the AI glasses race, stepping into a market filled with ambitious ideas and disappointing outcomes. For years, companies tried convincing consumers that wearable computers on their faces were the future, but most attempts struggled to gain traction. Some looked too futuristic, others were too expensive, and many simply failed to provide enough practical value for everyday use. As a result, public interest faded quickly. Xiaomi appears determined to avoid repeating those mistakes. Rather than designing a device that screams for attention everywhere you go, the company seems focused on a much simpler goal: making AI glasses feel completely natural. At first glance, Xiaomi's AI glasses don't appear dramatically different from ordinary eyewear, and that decision may turn out to be one of the smartest choices they've made. After all, no matter how advanced a device becomes, people won't wear it if they feel awkward using it in public. Xiaomi clearly understands that wearable technology must seamlessly fit into daily life before it can ever reach the mainstream. So what exactly could these glasses do? This is where things become far more intriguing. Reports suggest Xiaomi's AI glasses could offer much more than basic notifications. Potential features include real-time AI conversations, instant language translation, navigation support, voice controls, smart alerts, object recognition, and built-in camera capabilities. In theory, that means your glasses could function as a personal assistant that stays with you throughout the entire day. Imagine walking through an unfamiliar city and seeing directions appear directly within your field of view. Imagine hearing a foreign language and receiving near-instant translations without pulling out your phone. Imagine looking at an object and having AI identify it while providing useful information within seconds. For many people, that sounds like something straight out of science fiction. Yet, while these possibilities are exciting, they also bring an entirely new set of concerns. Among all the rumored features, one stands out above the rest: live translation. This could be the feature that finally gives AI glasses a meaningful purpose beyond novelty. Picture yourself traveling abroad and understanding conversations without constantly opening translation apps. Picture international business meetings where subtitles appear in real time as people speak. Picture students accelerating language learning because assistance is available instantly whenever needed. This is the type of capability that transforms AI glasses from an interesting concept into a genuinely practical tool. People don't buy technology simply because it looks futuristic. They invest in technology because it solves real problems, and language barriers remain a very real challenge. Another factor that could determine success is the display itself. Previous generations of smart glasses often struggled with blurry visuals, weak outdoor brightness, and notifications that felt more distracting than helpful. Xiaomi is reportedly working with advanced display technology designed to improve brightness, clarity, and contrast significantly. If those reports prove accurate, users may finally be able to comfortably view directions, alerts, and information throughout the day. That might not sound revolutionary on paper, but usability often decides whether a product thrives or disappears. Even the most advanced technology becomes irrelevant if people don't enjoy using it. Then there's a challenge every smart glasses company eventually faces: battery life. AI glasses require cameras, microphones, displays, wireless connectivity, sensors, and AI processing to work together simultaneously. That's an enormous amount of technology squeezed into a compact wearable device. History has repeatedly shown that poor battery performance can ruin otherwise impressive products. Companies frequently promise all-day usage during launch events, but reality doesn't always match those claims. If users constantly need to recharge their glasses, excitement can quickly turn into frustration. Xiaomi seems aware of this issue and is reportedly focusing heavily on efficiency instead of chasing raw performance numbers alone. Whether that strategy succeeds remains one of the biggest unanswered questions surrounding the product. Now we arrive at perhaps the most controversial aspect of all, the camera. For some users, integrated cameras offer tremendous value. Content creators can capture moments hands-free, travelers can document experiences instantly, and AI systems can analyze the surrounding environment in real time. But for others, the presence of a camera triggers immediate concern. Imagine speaking with someone while wondering whether their glasses are recording. Imagine attending meetings, classrooms, or public events surrounded by nearly invisible AI-powered cameras. The technology itself may not be the issue. The uncertainty surrounding it is. And that uncertainty could become one of the largest obstacles preventing widespread adoption. This leads to the most important question of all. Not whether the hardware is powerful enough. Not whether the AI is intelligent enough. Not even whether the glasses function as advertised. The real question is whether people actually want AI sitting on their face every day. Modern life is already overflowing with screens, notifications, alerts, and digital distractions. Some people see AI glasses as a more seamless way to access information, while others view them as yet another layer of technology competing for their attention. Both perspectives are completely understandable. Ultimately, consumers, not technology companies, will decide which vision wins. If Xiaomi has one major advantage in this race, it's pricing. The company built its reputation by delivering advanced technology at prices that appeal to mainstream buyers. While many competitors focus on premium segments, Xiaomi often targets consumers looking for strong features without luxury-level costs. That strategy could prove especially powerful in the AI glasses market. Many people are curious about wearable AI, but far fewer are willing to spend a fortune experimenting with an entirely new category. If Xiaomi can deliver compelling features at a competitive price, it could attract millions of first-time smart glasses users and dramatically reshape the industry. So are Xiaomi AI glasses worth considering? The answer depends largely on who you are. For content creators, frequent travelers, technology enthusiasts, and early adopters, the concept is undeniably exciting. Features like live translation, navigation assistance, voice interaction, and hands-free functionality offer meaningful benefits. On the other hand, people who value privacy, simplicity, and fewer digital distractions may not find the same appeal. The technology shows tremendous promise, but it remains largely unproven. Right now, Xiaomi AI glasses feel less like a finished destination and more like the beginning of an entirely new journey. Personally, I don't believe AI glasses will replace smartphones anytime soon. At least not yet. What I do believe is that they represent something much larger, a transition in how we interact with technology. For decades, technology has lived in our pockets. Now, companies want it to live directly on our faces. That shift has the potential to change everything. It could reshape communication, transform how we access information, and redefine our relationship with artificial intelligence itself. Some people will embrace that future enthusiastically. Others will reject it completely. But one thing seems increasingly clear. The era of AI glasses has officially begun, and Xiaomi could play a major role in determining whether this new chapter becomes a success or another ambitious experiment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.